Yes, students, hello everyone. So today we continue the paragraph 5. Now the poet is saying what we discussed. First we discuss about in the fourth stanza, the poet see a girl in the field and the girl is reaping the crop and singing herself, and poet like the song, okay, which she sings, and the girl is cutting and binding the crop and singing, and the song which she sings is for a sad nature, and poet wants to everybody to listen it. Then the next two stanza, poet is comparison this girl song with nightingale and cuckoo bird, okay, means poet says that nightingale, this girl song is far better than the nightingale and cuckoo bird, okay. Now in that stanza, will no one tell me what she sings? Perhaps the plaintive numbers flow for old unhappy far off things and battle long ago. Now the poet is saying that in that stanza that the poet does not think too much about the theme of the song. Okay, what she sings, poet does not understand what she sing. Okay, is there what is the theme of the song, what she sings, what was the sound of the song, he cannot understand the meaning of the song, okay. So the poet think that there is no end of the girl singing, he is enjoying the song heartily. The poet thought that the poet is enjoying the song very heartily, okay. So perhaps the plaintive number, sad verses of the song, okay. Now the poet think that there is no end of the girl singing, as if she will never stop singing, okay. He watches her singing and using the sickle to do work at the same time in the field, okay. Now in the poet is discussing about that maybe the maybe the girl is singing about the sad song, okay, which is very old, it is unhappy thing is happening, okay, that's why she was singing that song. So these thing is described by the poet. He watches her singing, okay, that time what she was doing using sickle to do her work at the same time in the field, okay. Or is it some more humble lay, familiar matter of today, some natural sorrow, loss or pain that has been maybe again? Now the poet says that he listened to her song without making any. So the poet is unable to understand the language in which the girl is singing. He does not know what is the theme of the song and wants somebody to tell him the thing. वो किसी को बोलता है कि मुझे समझाओगे जो गर्ल है वो कौन सा सॉन्ग गा रही है, okay. He think that the song is about old unhappy incidents or about some battle in the past, okay. Now the song can also be about some familiar matter related to the life of the girl, okay. Now the poet says that the song may be also about some natural sorrow, pain or loss which has happened to her, इस उसके संग कोई घटना हुई है, मे बी कोई लॉस हुआ है, दैट्स वाई शी वॉज सिंगिंग द सॉन्ग, okay. So in two stanza the poet is describing about what sort of melancholy song she was singing. Now the next paragraph, next stanza, the whatever the theme the maiden sang, as if her song could have no ending, I saw her singing at her work and over the sickle bending. I already told you about the sickle, cutting grass, okay, crops. So the poet do not know about the song, theme of the song, what was the song she was singing, okay, but he was enjoying her song very much, okay. Now the poet thinks that there is no end to the girl singing if she will never stop singing, अगर वो गर्ल नहीं चाहती जब तक वो सॉन्ग को स्टॉप नहीं कर सकती. Now the poet watches her singing, okay, and she was doing, she was using the sickle to do her work at the same time in the field, okay. She was bending the sickle. Now in the last stanza, I listened motionless and still, and as I mounted up the hill, the music in my heart I bore, long after it was heard no more. So in the last stanza of the poem, the poet says that he listened to her song without making any kind movement and noise. When the poet went up the hill, he says that he still remembered the music of the song which that Highland girl sang. The poet also says that he will always remember her singing. Okay, he because he liked her song very much, and at last he was still remembered the song with his cohort. Okay, so because that song is never ever heard. Okay, after more time he never heard that type of song, that's why he remembered that song at long lasting. So these things is described about the William Wordsworth through the poem Solitary Reaper. I hope you all understand the poem very well. So that's all about our today's class. We will continue our class on tomorrow.